Hello and welcome to Chemistry Nuggets, where you can polish your knowledge and clear doubts. Friends, today's video is question number 2.28 from NCERT textbook class 11 and the chapter name is Structure of Atom. So let's check the question. In this question there are three parts. The first part I am going to read. An atomic orbital has n is equal to 3. What are the possible values of L and Ml? So here it is given the value of n is equal to 3. When we are having one clue for n is equal to 3, the possible values of L should be 0 to n minus 1. So if we put n value 3, it is minus 1, so it comes 0 to 2. So the possible values of L should be 0, 1 and 2. Now here 0 belongs for S, 1 belongs to P and 2 belongs to D. So these are the possible values of L according to n is equal to 3. Now come up to next part, possible values of Ml. So the formula for Ml is equal to minus L to plus L. So if we take M0, so it will be minus 0 to plus 0. So it means 0. M0 is equal to 0. It means it has only one orbital, which is whose value is 0. We can do like this. Its value is 0. In the same way, M1 is equal to again minus L2 plus L. So minus 1 to plus 1. So values will be minus 1, 0 and plus 1. So it means there are 3 orbitals, 1, 2 and 3. And 3 orbital means p orbital. So minus 1, 0 plus 1. Next is M2. So the possible values will be minus 2 to plus 2. That is minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1 and plus 2. So if we draw this, it means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 orbitals. The values will be minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1 and plus 2. So friends, this is the first part solved. Come up to the second part. List the quantum numbers, that is Ml and L, of electrons for 3D orbital. Now here it is given 3D. Looking into here, 3 means here n is equal to 3. And giving the value of D is D. D means here L should be 2. As we did already, for 0 it is S, for 1 it is P, for 2 it is D and for 3 it is F and so on like that. So if D is given, it means the value of L is 2. Now if we get the value of L, from there we will calculate the value of Ml. For M2, that will be minus L2 plus L. It means minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1 and plus 2. So again if we draw it, 5 parts, 5 orbital, because it is D, so D having 5 orbitals, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Like this, the value of each orbital is like this, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1 and plus 2. Second part is also finished, very easy. Now come to the third part of the question. Which of the following orbitals are possible? So here it is given 1p, 2s, 2p and 3f. we need to check. So it is 1p, for 1p. As I told you, the number 1 denotes the value of n is equal to 1. So for the value of n is equal to 1, the value of L should be 0 to n minus 1. Here it is 0 to, now 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 I will write, it will be 0 to 0. It means 0, and 0 denotes to S. So 1 always come with S. So here 1p is not possible. We can say 1p is not possible because 1 always comes with S. Now come up to next 2S. 2S. Again 2 denotes n is equal to 2. For this 2, L's value is 0 to 2 minus 1, that is 0 to 1. It means 0 and 1. So 0 is for S and 1 is for P. So it means 2S is possible, here also possible, and 2P, because P is also come with 2, n is equal to 2 also come with P, so 2P is also correct. It is possible. Now come up to 3F. Now n is equal to 3. So L is equal to 0 to 3 minus 1, that is 0 to 2 only. So it will be 0, 1 and 2. 0 is for S, 1 for P and 2 is for D. So there is no space for F orbital. So here 3F is wrong. 3 always come with until D. So 1, if n is equal to 1, it means only S subshell will be there. If n is equal to 2, it means S and P both subshells are there. And if n is equal to 3, it means there are 3 shells, S, P and D, 3 subshells. So 3F is also not possible. So in this way, this question is finished. The concept is clear. Just calculate the value of L, and from we can calculate the value of M. It's very easy. So please like, share and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Till then, thank you.